In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write checks using QuickBooks Online. Whether you're managing a business or keeping track of personal finances, QuickBooks Online is a fantastic tool to handle payments efficiently. Writing checks through QuickBooks not only keeps your transactions organized, but also ensures your accounting records stay accurate. If you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you can use the link in the description to get started. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step process. First, open QuickBooks Online and log into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look toward the top left corner of your screen and click the New button. This will open a panel that displays a variety of common transactions. From here, select Check. Now, it's time to fill in the details for the check you're creating. Start by entering the payee's name. This could be the person or business you're paying. As you type, QuickBooks may suggest names based on your previous entries, so feel free to select one if it matches. Next, choose the correct bank account from which the funds will be withdrawn. If you have multiple accounts linked to QuickBooks, make sure you're selecting the right one for this specific payment. If the check needs to be mailed, ensure the payee's mailing address is added or confirmed. Double-check that it's accurate, as this is essential for delivery. After that, set the payment date. This should reflect the date when the check will actually be issued. Now, look at your physical check and enter the check number printed on it. If you plan to print the check directly from QuickBooks, select Print Later instead. This option allows you to handle the printing process later on. Next, assign the appropriate category for the payment. This means choosing the correct expense account that best describes the purpose of the transaction. For example, if the payment is for rent, utilities, or office supplies, make sure to select the matching category. Adding a clear and concise description is also a good practice. This will help you or anyone reviewing your records understand the reason for the payment in the future. Now, enter the payment amount. Be precise here, as any errors could create issues in your financial reports. If the payment covers multiple categories, you can add additional lines and split the amount accordingly between those categories. Once that's done, include a brief memo. This memo is optional, but highly recommended to further clarify the purpose of the transaction. When you're ready, move to the bottom of the screen and click Print Check. Before you begin printing, load your pre-printed check stock into the printer. Make sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions for how the paper should be positioned. It's also a good idea to have a plain sheet of paper handy for a test run. If this is your first time printing a check in QuickBooks, the system will guide you through printer alignment. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully to adjust the settings. Once the alignment process is complete, print a sample check on the plain paper. Compare the alignment of the date, payee, and amount on the test print to your check stock. If anything is off, adjust the alignment settings in QuickBooks until everything lines up perfectly. After confirming the alignment, review the preview of your check on screen and double-check your printer settings. When everything looks good, go ahead and print the check. If you selected the Print Later option earlier, you'll need to locate the check from the list in QuickBooks and send it to the printer. Once the check has been printed successfully, don't forget to save your work in QuickBooks Online to ensure your records are updated. Finally, keep the printed check in a secure location until it's ready to be delivered or mailed. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.